I didn't even know how much I was suffering until it finally stopped. I'd see a hill and it was like climbing a mountain. How am I going to get up there? How am I going to do this?
Well, Angela's a delightful woman. She is a single mom, and she had been developing very bad knee problems, pain and stiffness for a number of years.
I had no cartilage. It was bone on bone. I was in desperate need of this knee surgery. For my daughter's whole life, she never had an able-bodied mom. She didn't know what it was like for me to be in pain. I just struggled through and trying so hard and suffering so badly.
We have great care teams here at Swedish. Every week I have people who come up and tell me I changed their life, and it wasn't just me, it was the procedure and the technology that we have. It's the best feeling in the world, and that's what keeps me coming back to work every day, is what we can do for our patients.
Dr. Crutcher is, my hero for, giving me my life back. What's next for me? Oh, I just want to get more and more active. I want to dance, I want to roller skate, I want to do all kinds of things that I haven't been able to do for more than a decade.